everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to be helping you learn how to get rid of your Yahoo search engine on Chrome. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To remove Yahoo search engine from Chrome is easy. Open up your Google Chrome web browser first. As you can see that it is showing Yahoo search as a default search engine on my Google Chrome. If you want to get rid of that, then simply go and click on the three dots at the top right hand corner from your Chrome web browser. From the expanded menu, click Settings. From the left hand side menu, click on Search Engine. Choose the search engine of your choice by clicking on this drop down, and you can select from multiple choices. Give it a click to your choice and you can now go back to the main home page of Google Chrome. Once you make these settings, open up a new tab to see that your search engine has been changed to something else. That is how you can easily get rid of Yahoo search engine from Google Chrome. I hope the tutorial helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.